What's up guys? In this video, I will show you something that you could go ahead and check out if you are a sports enthusiast. You could earn and enjoy how you could collect NFTs in this project. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Sorare. I'm not sure if you are familiar with fantasy football, fantasy basketball, or something like that. So this has football in it. This also has NBA, and this also has Major League Baseball. And since I'm a sports enthusiast and I love basketball, I chose the NBA right here. And mind you guys, again, this is free to play. So I was able to go ahead and build my own team. And there's a marketplace here that you could go ahead and check out as well. So there are different rarities that you could check out. And just in time, guys, because it's about time for the NBA Finals. And congratulations to all of you there that are Denver and the Miami Heat fans. So this is something that you could go ahead and check out and play. So if I go back to the homepage, I scrolled straight down, I would see here invite friends, and if I click that, it will take me directly to this one. So invite a friend to Sorare. You'll both be able to get a free card. So when your friend collects 5 new cards via auction or starter pack, you will both win a free limited card. So you will also be able to see how many invites or how many people you have invited here, and this is going to be your invite links. You could go ahead and share it in your social media platforms as well. So you could go ahead and play here. Okay, just click on play. You would be able to do the upcoming, the live, and the past as well. So pick up training, limited contender. There are a lot of different tournaments or games here that you could choose from. You could also play with your friends here. So you could create a private league. And then here you would be able to see your cards. Okay, so you'd be able to see what are the options or what are the cards you have available. That way you could interchange these cards from the ones that you have active. And this is the guide on how you could play. So if you click on that one, it will take you directly to this, getting started, right? So this is for the NBA guide since I chose the NBA on this one. So if I click on football, it will take me directly to a different page which says football here. Okay, and then if I go back, I choose Major League Baseball or MLB. That's the same, so we'll change it, and then you would be able to play the MLB. All right, so since I chose the MLB, let's go ahead and check out how to play on this one. Let's go ahead and click on that. It will take you directly to this, and it has a video right here. So let's go ahead and check that one out.
101. Where we break down how you can build like an owner and play like a general manager in one of the most innovative fantasy baseball games in the world. Sorare is a revolutionary fantasy baseball game and marketplace, transforming fans into owners.
All right, so this one right here, guys, is a 3-minute and 50-second video. You could go ahead and check this one out during your available time. The link to this will be in the description of the video. And then, of course, let's go ahead and try to play. So click on that one. So you could choose the pack. All right, when you choose the pack, it will give you the cards that you'll be able to use. All right, so let's go ahead and check out how we can create a private league. So this one right here is a complete guide that will give you the step-by-step instruction on how you can create private leagues. So in the play tab, click on the private leagues. The link to this will also be in the description of the video. Go ahead and check that one out. All right, so my private leagues, you have the league logo, league name, description. So again, guys, if you are a sports enthusiast, this is very, very easy to learn. So go ahead and check their website out. So there is a complete how to play guide. That way you will not get lost, and you'll be able to get a hold of how the gameplay looks like. And what's good about this one is it's free to play. All right. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.